custom toolbar which will have a title, subtitle and a menu. So let's get started. If you need a source code, then it will be in the description. So check it out, it's free. So let's get started. For that, first of all, we are going to change our app theme from dark action bar to no action bar. Here it is. It says dark action bar. So we are going to write is no action bar. Now as we need to create a custom toolbar, so we are going to change our layout from constraint layout to linear layout. Okay, after that we are going to assign the orientation of this linear layout and the orientation will be vertical. Then we are going to create our custom toolbar. So first of all we are going to write toolbar and the width of the toolbar will be match parent and height will be action bar size. Okay, after that we are going to assign its id and we are going to assign its id simply toolbar. After that we are going to add theme. So we will get our text color white. So we are going to use our theme app compact.dark. Okay, after that we are going to close it. Here our XML code completed. Now moving to the main activity.java, we are going to first declare the toolbar. So private toolbar and make sure you use this toolbar Android X compact.widget. It will not generate an error, otherwise it may generate error. So here we had set toolbar. Now we are going to cast it in the onCreate method. Toolbar is equal to find view by id. Now we will give its id to toolbar. Okay, here we get. Now we are going to set support action bar to this toolbar. Here we will get our toolbar ready, our custom toolbar ready. Now we are going to say get support action bar dot set title is equal to coding with flow. Okay, now we need to give subtitle. So get support action bar dot set subtitle. Now we are going to write a subtitle of our custom toolbar. So subscribe this channel. Now we had created our menu, our toolbar. Now we are going to add a menu to it. So first of all right click on res folder and then click on new. After that select directory. Now name it simply menu, no capital letters. After click enter and it will create a new menu directory. Now again right click on menu and say new menu resource file. After that we are going to assign the file name which will be main menu. After that we are going to select OK. Our main menu file is created. Now we are going to assign item and going to set its id and its id will be simply share. After that we are going to write it title and our title will be share. Now we are going to show as action bar to always. This will always show our button in toolbar, not below. So after that we are going to set is icon. Now we have an icon here. I say share. I had created that by right clicking on file, new and vector assets. After clicking on that we are going to click on this clip art and here we will write share. After that it will load and here is our share button. So clicking on that and OK, we will get our icon here, and now we are going to name it share. So this will create another, but I had already created my share icon, so I am going to cancel it, and now here we will assign that I see share. Now this had created. Now to inflate it, we need to create two overrides. So first of all, on menu options created, sorry, on create menu option. After that we are going to implement one more method, that is on option item selected. Okay, first of all we are going to write menu inflator here, get menu inflator dot inflate. Here we are going to write our menu, so menu dot main menu, and second parameter will be menu itself. Okay, here we had inflate our menu, and now we are going to click on action, means when we select that menu what action should happen. So first of all we are going to write if, sorry, switch here item dot get item id. Okay, after that we are going to start it and say case r dot id dot what id we had given there, share. So share. After that we are going to click toast message. So create a new toast, and our toast will be share icon is clicked. You can perform any intent in this, but we are just showing toast. To see intent I will upload a new video, so let's first complete this break. Okay, after that we are going to replace this statement to if. Okay, after that we are good to go, means our application is ready. Now let's see what is the output. So clicking on the menu button, Android Studio will start build up process. If you are not subscribed this channel Coding with Flow, then I request you to subscribe this channel, because soon we are going to upload a codes app code which will be absolutely free. So subscribe this channel Coding with Flow to get the notification of our new playlist, also, sorry, codes app, where we are going to design the full ready-made app which will be ready to publish in Play Store. So make sure you subscribe this channel, that motivates me. And also please like this video and share with your friends. So here our Android Studio is building the process, so let's wait for it. It may take some time to run the application. Basically this custom toolbar is used to navigation, for navigation purpose, means we can add a drawer to it, but adding drawer is in our next series which we will upload in this channel, where we are going to design a full navigation drawer with some animation. So as I said, subscribe this channel, and also remember the free source code is in the description, so check it out. So here our build successful. Now we are going to see our output. So it's installing now. It will install soon in our device. Yeah, here it is. Sorry, we had not added a background to our menu, so let's add it. First of all, we are going to go on activity main and set here background color, and our color will be color primary. So we will get our color to this toolbar. So again, running this app. Basically we forgot to add some background color to toolbar, so it is displaying white. Now it will solve. So here our app is. So our application is installing. Okay, here is our app and our channel name, and subscribe this channel. Coding with Flow was our title. Subscribe this channel was our subtitle, and when we click on share, it says share icon is clicked. So this was our custom toolbar tutorial. If you had enjoyed it, then please make sure you like this video and share with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe this channel to get the notified when we upload a codes app series. So subscribe this channel.